What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to episode 3 of Off the Grid. Me and Dane are starting where we ended off yesterday. We actually ended up a little back here, but we're working our way there. We found some pike on topwater last night, and so we decided to come here in the morning. Our conditions are way different today. The last couple days have been like 80 or so, sunny. The water temp's been like 70. Now it's way colder today. As you can see, we're in our sweatshirts and stuff. And the water temp's only 66 right now. We're gonna be trolling some deep ledges today for some pike, some big walleye. But we're really looking for some big pike today. There might not be the biggest pike where we're throwing topwater in these coves, but there might be. But we're also catching fish, so it's a lot of fun. Yeah, stay tuned. Me and Dane are gonna take you guys throughout today. Gonna record most of the day. Gonna get you guys all this awesome footage. We're gonna try to catch some big pike, big walleye. Stay tuned and let's do it. Oh, he just blew up and missed it. Get it, you idiot. Got him. Yeah. I don't think so. But still, nothing beats topwater, man. Yeah. Still, that looks so cool, man.
Yeah, that is awesome.
Guys, we're gonna show you how cool this water looks. Yeah, just sticking under there by the pike. Not sure how this looks, but on camera, but this water is clear, guys. This water is ultra clear. Oh yeah. Look at, he choked that whopper plopper. He wanted it. Look at that. The whole thing's in his mouth. Finally blew up on it the third time. Off this point actually, so those pliers out here. So nice pike. I'll just get a real quick measurement on him. He is roughly 25. That's a gorgeous pike, and I think we're gonna try to get an underwater shot, Dane. Money, thanks. I was sick. Let's get some more, baby. Got him. Did you just get everything right next to the boat? Yeah. Was your spoon just sitting there?
Yep.
All right, get him up here. Another dink. Dane just left the spoon right next to the boat. The thing is so little. The thing is tiny. Little boy. All right. Little guy, right next to the boat. I didn't know where it was. There we go. Oh, got him. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Doesn't seem that big though, unless he's coming with me. He's got a lot of, yeah, he's that big. Still, that's awesome. That's a lot of fun. Come on. All right, little guy on the what's this thing called? The whopper plopper, and but still, that's a lot of fun though. A lot of action. That's awesome. He hit it twice my first cast, and I didn't get him because I'm an idiot. But got him there. He's not that big, so we're not gonna measure him. But nothing beats the topwater pike, let me tell you. Unless he was 40 inches. Little strike. Got him. Dane, nice. What, on the spoon? Dane throwing that spoon, and ooh, it's not bad. We've been catching pike. We caught like 5 in the past hour. I haven't been recording. We've just been chilling out, hanging out, you know, just dudes being dudes, catching some nice ones. But that's not bad.
What the hell?
On the spoon, a little shallow. We're sitting in 5 feet, and it's probably like 2 or 3 feet over there. So let's get some more, brother. We're getting drifted right to these rocks. Someone just hit yours? Oh, nice, Dane. Nice. You all right?
Yeah, it's decent size.
Really? I'll net him for you. Fishing in 2 feet of water.
Long.
It's a nice fish. Hey.
So long as not a letter.
Okay.
Why is it not a letter?
What did you say before that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got a 25-inch pike. Nice pike in about 2 feet of water. Saw him explode on it. And we're gonna stay back here. Hopefully we can see another moose, or maybe get some more pike. Oh!
Missed it.
Got him? Nice, on the top water. Let me see if I can double up real quick, Dane.
Oh, dude.
All right, you're right. Probably shouldn't. Feel good?
Yeah.
Hey, at least you're pulling us this way. We haven't fished this.
No. It's the same as that fish.
I doubt it.
Fish just run this place.
All right, Dane, picking up another pike. Oh, he choked that. Oh, he just, That's your whopper plopper. He just broke off on it.
How did he do that?
How did he broke the leader? Where is he? He just broke Dane's whole whopper plopper off. Leader included. That's like impossible. Did he break that? The leader the leader broke. Huh. Well, that pike just broke the leader. And took Dane's whopper plopper. Yeah. I've never seen that before. Missed it again. Missed it again. He just nipped at it that time. Got him. About time. Who was messing with me the whole time? Let's see this. Yeah, he is. That's awesome though. Little top water bite. Oh, he barely got him. Little pike in top water. Hit it like 6 times. Oh, it just came off too. Perfect. I'm not just gonna wait till I get home on the friggin'. Oh, there we go. Just gonna cut that first part out. All right. Another pike, top water. Sitting in 4 feet this time. He's longer than what we've been getting before. Not too bad. Okay, I'm not gonna use the net, but there he is. Make that stupid noise again. Just got him off. Not too big, but we're gonna try to get a couple more fish, and we're gonna head on in. Oh, nice. Did you have him now?
I have him, yeah.
Oh.
I mean, I'm pulling them, so.
Oh, nice.
This one I snagged. I was pulling through
like weeds.
Before.
All right, dude, we have so many pike back here. Like,
a little small, but.
Yeah.
Dare to hiss.
Shut up, doofus. I'm helping you. All right, didn't hook up on a little dinker, but we've caught a lot of pike here, and like we just said, this spot is magical. So, all right, guys, me and Dane just got back to the cabin, and we had an okay day today. It was nothing crazy, but we caught some pike on top water, which is really cool, actually. And the water is so clear that the pike just it looks so cool seeing these pike, you know, swimming underneath the boat and stuff. It's really cool, really pretty. And we just started the day. I said it was cold. It was cold, and it was like windier, but now it's clear skies, sun's back out. Yeah, so it's way warmer now, and the other guys should be coming in soon. But you know, we had a great day. It was a lot of fun being out here. We still have 2 more days left in Canada, but there's only 1 more episode of Off the Grid, and this was episode 3. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please leave a like down below and leave a comment if you'd like. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow I'm filming Off the Grid number 4, and that's going to be, I already got a challenge for that, so get ready for that. You're going to want to be ready for that drops. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time.